300 divided by 15 in bracket 8 minus 3 bracket complete divided by 5. Use the rule of. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. We should start with the parentheses. Parentheses have the highest priority over all other operations. 300 divided by 15 times 5 divided by 5. We must start from the left and move towards the right. Perform these operations in order. Now we do the division between 300 and 15 is equal to 20 times 5 divided by 5. Now we handle the multiplication between 20 and 5 is equal to 100 divided by 5. We do the division between 100 and 5 is equal to 20. 20 is the correct answer. राइट योर करेक्ट आंसर इन कमेंट। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।